How to make money fast. We all want to earn a lot of money, and the quicker we can do that, the happier we'll be. But sometimes we don't always get there, and we don't always make that money quickly, and we don't understand why that's happening. We don't know what could be getting in the way. And that is what we must work through first to find that place where you're going to be able to make a lot of money. Now let's talk about it. There's something that you were born to do, something that is within you that you've been given that's a talent or skill, a gift, an ability, whatever it might be. It's within you. And so if you were to develop that thing, whatever it is, and then start to give it to the world, you're going to make a lot of money. But you may not get there right away. I didn't. And this is what I'm saying. You will find that you might be doing certain jobs that you think this is going to really get me there. And you're trying and you're trying and you're going after it and nothing is happening. And then you go to the next thing and you do the same thing. And you may think, maybe it's this thing I can sell really quickly. Maybe that's going to make me a lot of money. And then you're working at that and nothing is happening. Or maybe you started a business and you thought, this is going to be the thing that is going to get me to the place where I'm going to earn a lot of money really fast. And then it doesn't work. And the reason it doesn't work, it's because it's not aligned with who you are. It's not who you're meant to be. And sometimes we take some time to figure that out in our lives. It doesn't matter when you do it. Because there have been many people, and if you've seen this, who will all of a sudden later in their life start to change their direction because they found that they're doing something else that's much more enjoyable, that gives them this feeling of motivation that they always want to get up and do it. Then they start making money. Because think about it logically. If you're doing something that you really enjoy, you're not going to be worried about how much time you're putting into it. You're not going to be held back by the amount of effort or what you might have to do do this particular thing, whatever it is. And then that money is going to start to come to you. Now, money is just energy. That's all it is. You have to understand that. It is just energy. So if you are not having that money coming in, you're blocking that energetic flow. There's something that you're not allowing to happen, and it is something within you. It's always there. There's zero reason why anyone should not be able to earn all the money that is out there. Really. It's that. But you will see that what happens is our mindset is not changed to the place where we can embrace, own, and acknowledge who we are. Because when you can do that, wow, you're going to do your job, you're going to do whatever it is, or you'll create something that is going to bring in a lot of money, but it must be energetically aligned with who you are, aligned with your purpose. This is why I am an empowerment life purpose coach, you see, because you must become empowered enough to even live that life purpose because it's within you. And as you do that, the money will flow. It will just start coming in. But again, you have to be the one willing to do the work. I spent 40 some years figuring this out, developing ways to have people figure out what it is that they're meant to do that's going to give them the most amount of money and in an easy way. Because when you are aligned with it, it becomes easy and it's fast. Energy is fast when you actually align. That's all that it is.